Alright, so we're going to go over some stuff. Why? Because I haven't even touched the charts. But before we do, let's go ahead and get acclimated. It's kind of cold, so forgive me. I'm not in my Snuggie. It should be, though. It's really cold. So, haven't really looked at the charts, but we're going to share this. NZD-CAD is in an area right now where I'm getting ready to go ahead and trim. So we'll be doing that shortly. The other thing I wanted to look at, odd CHF is already hedged. I haven't messed with that to trim it out, but like, look how pretty that was. It came down into that zone where I'd already had marked out, expecting a bounce. This would have been a beautiful, beautiful squeeze. But, missed it. Odd USD did roughly the same thing. Came down into this zone here, completely blew through it, but that would have been a beautiful trimming area. I don't know if I would have trimmed that area, but you never know. Maybe once price broke through here and I started seeing some rejection here. This is Friday. Why didn't I see any of this? That's fine. So once all this happened, then this would have been a beautiful squeeze, but missed it. It's all right. Euro GBP, we're getting near an area. It's just been trickling down. I'm not feeling very confident about this zone. It's come in here the first time, bounced up, came in here a second time. Now we're at another bounce. I really feel like this zone's going to break through and it's just going to fall down. So I don't know. We shall see. I might wait for a new lower low down here a little bit, trim off everything and expecting a little pullback, but we'll have to see. Euro USD. Not much there. We hit up there on Friday. I was waiting for it to come back. It looks like it hasn't yet. If we can get up here a little bit deeper, that would be great. I'd go ahead and trim that one. NZD CAD. That's the one we're going to go ahead and trim here shortly. NZD CHF is in this little zone here. It needed to come down farther, and then can actually work on a trim on that one. NZD USD was all over the place. This would have been another beautiful trim as well. If I could have just pulled off this right here, if it actually got, while I was waiting for it to come down a little bit farther. And then USD CAD. USD CAD was up here really, really nice and high. If we can get back up there again, I don't know. I might go ahead and trim this one where it's at right now because of just what it looks like. Looks like we've plummeted off of here. This could come back a little bit deeper, and so that would be a nice squeeze. Trim here, squeeze down here, be good to go. So yeah, we're gonna hop on. We're just gonna go ahead and do the NZD CAD, trim that out, see where everything's at. Let's go look at the charts and see what everything looks like to begin with. Here we are at the charts, $2,200 in drawdown. Like I said, that USD CAD looks pretty nice, so let's go ahead and start there. We're gonna close that one. $136.35. So our farthest position is a 0.01 for 23. So we get to close that one. Now let's say we have $100 left. The next position after that is a 0.3, and that starts at 84.64. So that would be this position here. So we're going to close that one too, fully. Cool. So we've closed all those positions. We still got about $41 left. The next one after that is 88.08. That's at $55. We're going to close probably about 2 of those. So let's close 1, 2. It puts us at 37. Does that give us enough? We'll about to see. Ooh, we made 56 cents. Okay, you know, it is what it is. That's fine. 0.101 on that position there. So that one's gone. And now I'm just cleaning up the my actual charts. And so we should have a 3 6s, a 1, and then that's it. So now we should be at 19. So we should be at 19. We got a 6, a 6, a 6, and a 1. So 19 is what we need above here. We do 40. would put us about there. Let's do 30. Let's just round that off. We're going to round that off to 418. We'll come here, new order. We are at 19, buy stop, 4180 is what we're looking for. Place that trade right there. And then the next one is NZD CAD. And close the 11. Close order. Look to see what that did for NZD CAD. That's $28. The NZD CAD, the 0.07 is my farthest out. Close order by 22. So we're closing 2 out of that one. There we go. And that sets up a position of 17. That's what we should have for NZD CAD. 17 on the bottom, 8 up top. That puts me at 0.9 on the buy side. So come up here, new order, 0.9, buy stop for 30 pips above that zone right there. 83360. And place. There we go. So now I am hedged. Nope. No, I'm not. I'm open. I'm open on those two, NZD CAD and USD CAD, both of which are open. Got to clean up the charts now, but that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be done for the day. I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to catch up with, and I don't have time to check the charts. Granted, checking the charts, or at least not setting up alerts, makes me miss the moves that I should be using in order to clean up these things. But that's something you just got to be okay with. You're not going to be there the entire time. The whole point of trading is to buy back time. Even if you start small, okay, just imagine with an extra, if you can make an extra $100 a month just by trading, and you only put in maybe an hour of effort a week. That's like, start small. Don't try to tackle your salary. Don't try to tackle, being rich. Start small and build small.